Hello and welcome to Fictional Adulting. This is a little channel update, chit-chat type video. If you'll notice, I have a new intro, but I also have a new channel. I know. After I did the I Suck at YouTube video, a friend of mine who I've known on YouTube forever, Erin, her channel was The Collection Vintage. It still is. She still has it, but she doesn't post very often. Wish she would. Anyway, not the point. She said that there might be something to the fact that my channel is old, that I started it a long time ago. There's been a lot of changes to YouTube since I started. I gained a lot of followers, I gained a lot of subscribers fast, and I don't know how real they are. Like, they could be fake. I don't know how it goes, but anyway, the point is I'm doing an experiment. It's kind of an experiment, kind of not. Anyway, the point is I have a brand new fictional adulting channel. It's still me. It's still the same content, but I've only got like 200 subscribers right now. So what I need is to find out if it's because this channel is old, and that's why I have all these subscribers and no views. So I'm kind of testing out that theory. So I started a new channel. So go over there and follow me. The link is up here and down there and everywhere. I'll put it. So I'm doing this video basically because if you don't follow me on Instagram, you might be slightly confused on why you're seeing my content and my channel kind of in two places. Because the other one, it's still called Fictional Adulting. It's a different profile picture and a different like banner when you turn on the channel. Like it's TV when you click on it, just to differentiate it for me. But this one is at Fictional Adulting, and that's it. But the new one is at Fictional Adulting, and there's a bunch of letters after when you see the username. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. Point is I am testing out to see if it's because this channel is old. So what I need from you is to go over there, follow that channel, see if I'm getting more views over there. So what's happening is I'm posting my content over there. And I will occasionally post content here, but here is for my members only. I have some memberships that I can't access yet on the new channel. I can't monetize. I can't do members. There's a bunch of stuff I can't do because I'm nowhere near what I need in subscribers and view hours and all that kind of stuff because I just started it. So I'm going to test out that theory to see if I can grow that one and if that actually is showing my stuff as opposed to this one, which I think it's happening. I think my videos are getting seen over there, but I have been posting on both channels, same content, just so I don't miss anybody. But I finally got a chance to sit down and film this to let you know that I am going to be posting over there. I'm not making anything because I'm not monetized over there. I am technically not really making anything on this either, other than for my memberships, which I so appreciate. My beautiful, beautiful members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mwah. If you want to become a member, the info is below. I do post early access and members only content like vlogs and like chit chats and stuff. I haven't done a live yet. I really want to do a live with my members. But I will still be doing that kind of stuff on this channel. So if you become a member, you will still, it's as if nothing has changed. But I will be trying to grow that. Am I making any sense? I don't even know if I'm making any sense. My brain is like, shut up. You don't know what you're talking about, which is mostly true. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I am giving this a shot to see if it is because my channel is old. It's not getting the views that my content used to get. And it's also all over the map. I'll post something and it'll get, 700. I never get great views, but sometimes I'll get like 40 on a video that when I used to post would get 1,000. And then sometimes I'll get 1,000 on a short, and I'll get like 50 on a long form video. So it's kind of all over the map, a little bit crazy. So I just wanted to give this a shot. So it's taken a lot of effort to try and get that one going and design it, and anyway, I've done a lot of work on it. So I'm really hoping that that will fix my problem and that one will grow like this one, and I will be able to monetize it, and I'll be able to pursue my dreams of becoming a YouTuber. Yeah, I know, like I'm in my mid 40s, like seriously, it's not going to happen, but it'll, at least I'll have a better chance at happening. So that's really all the update is to let you know that Fictional Adulting now is me looking off into the distance with a blue background on the profile picture, but I will still be doing members content here. So if you want to explore that option and see my little behind the scenes and my kind of personal-ish vlogs and early access to videos I post, you can certainly do that. You will still get all that on here. So that's what's up with me. I hope you are having a great spring day wherever you are. Currently it's snowing here, so such is life. But yeah, I just wanted to update you on what's happening there. And in case you were confused, because you didn't see all the posts that I was doing on Instagram, which, by the way, you should follow me on Instagram, because then you'd know all the things, because I post over there a lot. So yeah, I hope you're having a great day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.